Hey, it's Sasha Evdokov, and thanks for joining me in this week's lesson. This week, I'd like to cover the advantages and the disadvantages behind attending a stock trading or stock market seminar, and maybe what you should expect when you attend one. Now, I've attended a couple of stock market seminars. I don't attend them often. I probably attend more business seminars about marketing, about business development, than I do actually about the stock market. And the reason for this is I believe the stock market is more of a personal inner game kind of thing. Now, some of the things that you'll gain out of these seminars at the stock market events is the same thing as you would at any business event with a slight little difference. So at a business event, typically what I get personally is a lot of networking. I get a lot of networking to build a business, to network and work together with other companies, with other people, get ideas and insights to take my business to the next level. Now, when it comes to stock trading and investing, you get similar concepts. You get kind of ideas and insights about trading, about those outer game things, about how to trade. And it may hit you in terms of the light bulb effect. Hey, this is an interesting idea, interesting methodology to the trading that this person is doing. Maybe I should try that concept. So if you don't have a system in place yet, if you don't have an idea of the direction or the path that you want to go into, or the type of trading that you want to do, it may give you a way to brainstorm a lot of different people's strategies. Because not everybody's strategy will work for you. For example, some of my strategies or the way I trade may not work for you. Or maybe the way another person trades may not work for you either. But then this other person way over here, their strategies may fit you perfectly because their risk and reward profile or their risk and reward mentality may fit you a little bit better. So I think that's one of the great things that you can gain out of seminars when it comes to the stock market. Now, yes, of course, these stock trading seminars will teach you about these technical indicators, these chart patterns, how things move and what you're looking for in the greatest new indicator. Unfortunately, I find that most people, where they really struggle is that inner game. It's about that inner psychology. And I think one of the best things you can do, one of the greatest things you can do when you attend a seminar on stock trading, on networking, on business, whatever it is really look at that inner game. What's going on inside of you and see how it relates to you. So as people are talking to you and as you're talking to other people, during the breaks at these stock trading events, or maybe you have a lunch that you're spending with somebody, start looking at what is it that they're saying? What does it mean to me? What are they saying? What does it mean? And what does it mean to me? These are usually the three types of questions that I always like to ask as things are getting inputted into my mind. And I think if you start thinking in this way, you'll gain a lot more out of the stock market seminars or stock trading seminars, or even any other seminars really that you attend. But I think with the stock market, since it's more of an interpersonal kind of activity, rather than networking with other people, collaborating with other people, I think a lot of it has to do with your own personal inner game development that you have to do. I think if you focus on this concept when you attend events or seminars, is to see how it applies to me. How does that system that this person is using, how can I use the advantages of that system or strategy to benefit myself? Now, I know that sounds a little selfish, but this is just the way the stock market works, and this is just the way things pan out. So in order to take your game to that next level, in order to trade better and become a better trader, I think this is one of the ways that you can use seminars, different events to benefit you the most, rather than just attending the seminar or event and kind of saying, hey, this is what's being taught, it's Bollinger Bands, or it's about chart patterns, and then just embracing that information, because then you're only going so deep. You're only going surface deep. But if you start communicating and talking with other traders, going deeper down that path and seeing how does that system, what is it that they're doing applies to me, you'll get much more out of it. So use that tip and use that concept when you attend events, and I hope you get a lot more out of events when you go to them for that inner game, because that's usually the biggest struggle for most people. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see my latest market recaps, the ones where I show you the stocks that I'm watching in the current market condition, then go ahead, sign up to my rapid recap right here by clicking this link, and you can enter your name and email address right there, and you'll get my newsletters when the market recaps come out. And if you're interested to condense your trading, to just be a little bit quicker, to speed up that information and get all the knowledge and information you need in one sitting, then check out some of my courses at tradersfly.com. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you got a lot out of this video if you plan to attend a seminar or an event. And remember to do what you love, contribute to others, and most importantly, live life abundantly. I'll see you next time.